Hi, welcome back to Hair for Little Girls. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do 3 buns into a Mohawk hairstyle. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our hair tutorials. And if you'd like to see how we do this, just keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is just wet the hair down with a little water. Next, I want to create 3 ponytails. I want the first ponytail to be sitting about here on the crown of her head. So I'm just going to pull back a little bit of hair. In my daughter's hair. Next, I'm going to do a 3-strand braid with this bottom ponytail. All 3 of my ponytails in, I've pancaked them out, put them in the rubber bands. Now it's time to wrap them up and pin them in place. Now, I'm not gonna just do 3 buns because I want them to look all connected. So I'm gonna use bobby pins. I like these goody ones. And for my older daughter, I use the dark ones because her hair is a little bit darker. My younger daughter has lighter hair, so we use the lighter ones. So you wanna take your top ponytail, wrap it around, and this is just going to depend on how much hair your daughter has, but I'm going to wrap mine around once and make it, I'm going to poof it out just a little bit, and I'm going to hold it in place, and I still have my tail right here, and then I'm just going to put a few bobby pins in around the front and the side to hold it in place. So it's kind of underneath my next ponytail. See how I put it right there? I want the buns to be mixed all together so you can't really tell where one starts and where one ends. So now I'm going to take this middle one and I'm going to wrap it, and see how I kind of cross over the one that I just did and bring it down about here. Okay, once I have it in place, I'm going to put a few pins in it. Now with this little tail, I'm going to bring it back up around and stick it in here. And then I'll pin it down. Because you pancaked, you're going to have things like this sticking out. I don't know if you guys can see this piece. Just put a little bit of wax on it, and I'm going to pin it in place. Now you're gonna take your last ponytail and you're gonna wrap it up. Now with my tail, I'm gonna wrap my tail up and I'm gonna stick it underneath right here where my middle ponytail is. I'm gonna start bobby pinning. Now when you're doing your last one, you really don't want anything still sticking out. So make sure if you have any loose tails, you're putting them underneath this bun. Once I have everything done, I'm just gonna come back in and add a little bit of hairspray to help hold down the flyaways. I hope you guys liked our Mohawk bun hairstyle. It was really easy to do and I think it'll hold up all day long. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps to support our channel. And we'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.